But this Swahili that she's seeing and language that she's seeing is it means unambia correct me if I'm wrong, I know it's sort of follow me if I get that wrong or if I get the wrong answer, but it means he comes. You have to listen to Alexander with your crush. Your crush out there. Let's go back to the reach out to me about she is black baby 12 to 3 p.m. serving you the best lunch she knows how the